The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Today I'm not really here to represent any spiritual movement of such. Rastafari is a global spiritual movement and one of the only movements in the world which seeks to unify Africa as a common vision. Spiritual movement that seeks to unify Africa as a common vision. See, someone said, what book am I reading from? It's from the wise mind of His Imperial Majesty. A lot of time when I post about His Majesty, I see my fellow Eritreans and my fellow East African. I've gotten opposition from them a lot, saying, how could you post a dictator and all of these things? But we live in America, and we live in the Caribbean, we live in Europe, and here we are saying that His Majesty is a dictator. We live in Jamaica, where man celebrating independence and emancipation and all of these things. And yet we still can't see the beauty in His Majesty. See, yet we still can't see the beauty in the unification of Africa as one. Even us Africans, we are the ones I'm talking about. We are the ones who deny ourselves of unity.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Me there again, big up and respect to each and everyone. From within the month of July the year 2021 right until this present day when I did this video, which is the 6th of August the year 2021, I saw negative and positive comments that have been made on social media about a person who some persons call Haile Selassie. Some persons also call him Haile Selassie or just Selassie. Some of those comments gave me the understanding that some persons are calling Selassie a dictator. Some of those comments also gave me the understanding that some persons are defending Selassie in a positive way. I just presented to you a piece of an entire video that is out on social media that shows a musician who goes by the name of Chronix. And in the entire video, Chronix talk about the person who some persons call Selassie, and he also talked about other things as well, viewers and subscribers. I just presented to you a piece of the entire video that is out on social media so that you can hear some of the things that Chronix has said, and you can also let me know what you think. Alright? Yeah, I read books about the person who some persons call Selassie, but I'm not going to get into those details, viewers and subscribers, because I have more topics that I want to talk to you about, you see? But before I move on to another topic, I would like to encourage each and everyone who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. The next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, according to some things that I read in a news article, I got the understanding that the video is about an incident where it is said that law enforcers from within the country that is known as Brazil found at least 1.3 tons of cocaine on a private jet plane that was rented by a person who is said to be Spanish national. According to some more things that I read in the news article, it is said that the incident happened on the 4th of August the year 2021. It is said that the plane was scheduled to fly from Brazil to Belgium, and it is said that the person was said to be Spanish national and the flight crew had been detained by the police within the country that is known as Brazil. It is said that more than 5 suitcases had been found with cocaine inside of those suitcases, and it is said that those suitcases belongs to a company. The video shows when a person opened a suitcase and a person who is said to be a law enforcer from within the country that is known as Brazil took a knife and bore a package that was inside of the suitcase that is said to be filled with cocaine. Viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present the video to you so that you can have a better understanding about this incident. But before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video, take a look, listen and observe.
Essa bagagem aí.
comandante.
O comandante pediu para passar.
He's asking if you could please open the luggage here.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know.
Não, para
Because
ir.
it's personal, man. Huh?
Diz que é pessoal, ele
É sua. Você. Ah,
Não. Não,
vamos abrir. Vamos
não. Vou começar por essa não. Abre isso aqui. Tô mandando.
Nós, mira.
Homem.
Pode
deixar
aqui, ó.
sair.
O número. Aqui, ó. Pode abrir.
Abra.
Tá, não
Abra.
tem segredo, não tem segredo. Ó.
Abra. Abra.
That's sort of belonging with it.
Ele disse que não teve, ele veio junto.
Não? Não, é isso que eu quero saber. Canivete? Pergunta o comandante o que o comandante acha que é isso aí.
Captain, what do you think
No
this
problem,
is?
please.
What do you think?
No,
sabe,
because I don't know anything about that.
Ele não sabe de nada.
Personal. I was thinking always personal to me.
Não, peraí, pô. Tá fazendo o quê? Vai correr. Não, abre isso aqui. Ó, comandante, ó. O que é que o senhor acha que é isso aí, comandante? Pergunta aí o que ele acha que é isso aí.
Captain, he's asking, what do you think this is?
Really, I don't know.
Diga pra ele.
Really, no, I don't
Diga
know.
pra
Aqui é
ele.
um teste.
Yeah.
Não, é um teste que a gente faz.
This is a test
Yeah.
for cocaine.
Blue,
Yeah?
positivo.
Blue, it's positive
Pra cocaína.
for cocaine.
Okay.
O azul é cocaína. O azul.
Mas pode desligar a aeronave, né? Ele vai decolar. Não.
So it's, he said to shut down the engine, Captain. Nobody's going anywhere now. It's not even.
São quantas bagagens? São quantas bagagens desse jeito aí?
How many, Captain? How many?
I don't know. 20, I guess. 20, 25, something like that.
25
25 bagagens?
por aí.
Isso, ele sabe quantos quilos?
Do you know how many kilos?
I don't know. I
Vai
don't
ter
know.
Pounds, maybe?
Tem uns
Pode ser em
25
livre,
quilos.
pounds? No?
Maybe 300 or 400.
300 pounds?
Yeah.
300 pounds dá uns.
Well, viewers and subscribers, I see trouble there, you know. I see whole heap of problem, you know. Who's to ever charter that plane and or who's to ever responsible for or own those suitcases that them say Brazil law enforcers find cocaine in have questions for answer, you know. Anyways, let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you, and with that I'm going to move on to another topic. I saw pictures and videos circulating on social media about an incident where it is said that the Prime Minister of the country that is known as St. Vincent and the Grenadines received medical treatment after he had been injured during a protest that happened on the 5th of August, the year 2021 within the country that is known as St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Initial reports are that the Prime Minister of St. Vincent and the Grenadines, who goes by the name of Ralph Gonsalves, had been hit in the head with an object that had been thrown by a demonstrator who was among protesters protesting against proposed changes to the Public Health Act within the country that is known as St. Vincent and the Grenadines. There are more details about the incident, viewers and subscribers, and I will not present any of those videos to you that I saw, because in my point of view, those videos shows some things that I think are graphic. Anyways, I'm just gonna let you know about the incident. You can let me know what you think about the things that I told you about that incident, alright? And with that, I'm going to leave it right there. See, so big up and respect to each and every one. Let me know what you think about the things that I talked to you about in this video. Alright, and until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. Skilla entertainment.